and clap.
Here's my family, 1, 2, 3. Mom and dad and little me. Brother, sister, hand in hand. Together we make a happy band. Family's love will never end. Side by side with every friend. Through every laugh and every song. We're safe and strong where we belong. Cooking dinner, baking treats, sharing snacks in comfy seats. Story time by lanterns glow, warm hugs everywhere we go. When the sky is gray or blue, we stick together, me and you. Lift each other when we fall. Love's the greatest gift of all. Grandma's smile and grandpa's cheer, aunts and uncles always near. Cousins giggle, play and roam, but in our